Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's another beautiful day that we meet to discuss a very simple concept that confuses students. Graphs are ways of representing data. However, analysis becomes a problem or a challenge to many learners. Today, I want us to look at a typical IGCSE question that can help us understand and interpret a graph. Let's consider this question. The graph of y is equal to fx is drawn on the grid. Draw the tangent to the graph at a point x is equal to 3. A tangent is that line that touches a curve at only one point. So you shall go to where the 3 is and draw a straight line. You make sure you draw a line touching the curve at only one point. Now, it should be a straight line drawn using a ruler. On the straight line, mark 2 points that you can easily read. On the straight line, mark 2 points. For example, I'll mark that 1 point, and look for another point, we can mark this point. These points must be on the line. So make 1 point to be your initial point, mark another point to be our final point. Now, we are going to read the x, y coordinates at each particular point. So the first one, the value of x is 3.5. The value of y is 8. The second one, the value of x is 2. And the value of y is 0. Therefore, for the first point, tangent must cut at one particular point. Then use your tangent to find an estimate for the gradient of the curve at the point x equals to 3. It simply means we are going to find the gradient of the tangent that we have drawn. Is given by rise over run. This is same as the change in y-axis over the change in x. This means change in y, we took off y final minus y initial over x final minus x initial. That means 8 minus 0 all over 3.5 minus 2. You will get 8 all over 1.5. As your answer. Most learners take points on the curve. They choose 2 points on the curve. That is not right. The points must be taken on the line. Always remember to read well the values on the y-axis and on the x-axis, because the scales might be different, and in our case the scales are different. Don't assume. Always read the values as per the scales. Always remember, follow us on all our social media handles in case you require specialized one-on-one treatment. Thank you and have a nice time.